Hello everyone, I am Abhishek. Today I am going to discuss about spices. First, let us see about the Piper nigrum. You all are thinking that what's Piper nigrum is? Yeah, I'll give you a clue on it. It's the king of spices. Do you all got it what the king of spices is? Yes, that is the pepper. Now let us see about the pepper. The pepper plant is a climber which will be similar to the betel leaf plant. Once it is harvested, it is trampled by the laborers to separate the berries. Nowadays, machines are also available for this process. After trampling, blanching of berries is done to remove the impurities and to reduce the drying time. Then the berries are dried in sun by spreading out on a mat for 2 days. Many equipment like wood fry dryer, solar cabinet dryer, etc. are also used. After drying, threshing is done to remove the pinheads, stones, brokens, etc. During drying, the moisture content decreases to 20 to 25% or even below 10% for safe storage. Then let us see about its preservation. Generally, all the spice items should be preserved without more moisture content, but this pepper is hygroscopic in nature, that is, nothing but the tendency to absorb moisture from air. If it happens so, then there exists a mold attack and insect infestation. The mold attack also leads to loss of aroma, caking, and hydrolytic rancidity. So, to avoid this, the processed peppers are packed and transported in jute gunny bags. During storage also, this should maintain the moisture content of 10 to 11%, so it should be stored in a controlled atmosphere. Other spices should not be stored with pepper as it has heavy pungency smell and it will affect the other spices. Now, after the king, let us come to the queen. The queen of spices is cardamom. Cardamom is a valuable spice obtained from the seeds of perennial plant. It originates from the coastal area of India. India is the main exporter of dried cardamom. There are two types of cardamom. One is the small green cardamom and the other is large red or black cardamom. Harvesting at the correct stage of maturity is essential to produce the high quality of cardamom capsule. The fruits should be harvested only they are fully ripe and matured. First, the capsule are cleaned in water to remove the dirt. Then it is dried from 85% of moisture content to 10% of moisture content for proper storage. Then it is being graded according to its color and size. Indian grading system for cardamom has different types like Alapi green cardamom, Coorg green cardamom, bleached white cardamom, half bleached cardamom and mixed cardamom. Then it is packed in airtight pouches and stored away from the direct sunlight. For long time bulk storage, polythene lined gunny bags inside wooden boxes are used. To retain this color, this type of wooden boxes are mostly preferred. Strong smelling foods should not be stored in the same room as the flavor of the cardamom will be affected. Next, I am going to say about the most precious and expensive spice in the world. Do you all guess what's that? Yes, that's the saffron. I love to eat saffron flavored foods. Okay, let's go into the content. Actually, saffron is the stigmate present in the saffron flower. It is rich in aroma and color. Do you all know one thing? That why saffron is more costly? Yeah, I'll say now. It is because that the saffron flower lives only for 48 hours and within that we have to harvest the stigma of it for good quality. It takes about 4,50,000 stigmas to make up 1 kg of saffron and the laborers must process 1,50,000 to 1,70,000 flowers to get 1 kg of spice. After harvesting, the saffron stigmas must be kept in a shaded area or can also be placed at 0 degrees Celsius. Then, drying process takes place. The stigma must be dried immediately to keep its good quality. Drying should be done in a proper way so that the right moisture content can be achieved. If the moisture content is high, it may affected by the fungus, especially those causing toxic aflatoxins. If it is too dry, it may get broken and cause more wastage and will be reduced below the trade requirements. Next, we come to the packaging of saffron. Packing in plastic bags and solid plastics are not recommended. Even though it is sealed, the aroma of the saffron may still escape. So, the saffron should be packed in airtight and light protected containers like glass or even some metal cans. Next, let us see about cinnamon, the bark of evergreen tree. Actually, cinnamon is native to Sri Lanka. Some of the major cinnamon producing countries are Sri Lanka, Vietnam, China, Indonesia. Ceylon, Cassia, Saigon, Corenste are some of the types of cinnamon. Cinnamon plants are grown in bushes. Cinnamon spice is obtained by drying the central part of the bark and marketed as quills or powder. Best season to harvest cinnamon is September to November. This bark is harvested twice a year immediately after each of the rainy season, when the humidity makes the bark peel more easily. The rough outer bark is first scraped off with a special knife. Then the scrapped portion is polished with a brass rod to facilitate easy peeling. Then a longitudinal slit is made from one end to the other and the bark is peeled off. Then they are placed one above the other and covered with dry leaves or mat to preserve the moisture for the next day's operation. This also done to enhance the fermentation. Then the rolled slips are taken to piping yard for piping operations, and then the quills are blanched if necessary by sulfur treatment for about 8 hours. The drying is done for 4 to 5 days. After drying, the quills are graded according to the diameter. That is, the Sri Lankan grading system grades the quills as Quills alba, which is greater than 6 mm in diameter, Continental, that is greater than 16 mm in diameter, Mexican, that is 19 mm diameter, Hamburg, that is greater than 32 diameter. Then, after grading, packing is done. This is mostly packed in wooden boxes or cylindrical barrels. Cinnamon should be stored in cool and dry place because excessive heat will volatilize and dissipate its aromatic essential oil, and high humidity will tend to cake it. Whole quills will keep the flavor longer than the grounded form. I hope that you all understood something about pepper, cardamom, saffron, turmeric and cinnamon. Thank you.